to the vlog. What do you want to say? I thought I haven't vlogged in a while, it seems, so I thought I'd pick up the camera and take you along on our day. We're just having breakfast right now. What are we having? We're having pancakes and coffee. It's supposed to be a really beautiful day, so perfect day to what? Where are we going?
In the beach.
We're going to the beach, so that'll be fun. We're gonna take you along on kind of like the day.
For day.
Yeah.
And I'm eating pancakes.
We're eating pancakes.
Yeah, and on the beach.
We're going to the beach. He is Mr. Chatty. We always have good talks, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And here's the baby. Look. Being so big. You want to talk about you? Okay. What do you want to say?
Crocodile.
Crocodile?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dinosaur.
And dinosaur. Okay, we're gonna finish our breakfast and then yeah, we're just gonna vlog our day. So hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe. Say subscribe.
Hi.
And hit thumbs up.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll pick you up in a bit. We are packed up, ready to go to the beach. We're just stopping at Dollarama to pick up some fun things for the kids to play with. At the beach, we'll show you what we find. So we are just picking up my mother-in-law and sister-in-law to go to the beach, and we wanted to show you what we got at Dollarama. So we got this super cute set. It's like a little sandcastle set. We're gonna build some sandcastles. What else did we get, bud? Can you show them? Show them your ball. Got a Spider-Man ball. And what else? We got 2 water guns, and then we got this. Asher's really excited for this. It's a superhero inflatable tube for swimming. So that'll be fun. So we're just gonna pick them up, finish packing up our picnic lunch, and then we're gonna go. So we'll pick yours up in a bit. Are you excited, Asher?
Yeah.
Okay, can you wave? Wave. Just getting the kitties in the car. Say hello. My sister-in-law. My son. Look at all the things. When you're going to the beach and you have kids.
Crazy.
So much stuff. Okay. We're gonna get packed up, then we're gonna go. While we wait, what are you guys most excited for today? What? Doing what at the beach?
Swimming.
Swimming. What else?
Castle.
A sandcastle. Do you think we can build a really big one?
Yeah.
That'll be fun. We're gonna have a picnic.
Yay.
We're just waiting for Mima, right?
Yep. Takes so long.
Yeah. Well, we have to get all of you guys ready. Oh, here she comes. Should we video her coming and
Yeah.
surprise her? Okay. There's Mima. There's Mima. She hiding from us? Where is she? She hiding.
No, she's not.
She's hiding.
No, she isn't.
We have good times together. There she is. What you doing? Whoa, show me how you jump over that. Whoa, do it again. Woo! And Graylin's eating sand. Yucky. Yucky. Yucky.
Can we use it? Yeah.
So I got sent this tent by East Hills Outdoor. I'm going to link them down below. And I just wanted to show you guys. Don't mind the messy sand. Asher, say hey. Say hi. Are you having fun? So it's super nice. It has 3 windows, storage. Yeah, okay, well, I'll video you in a second. It has storage. It has some nice windows that you can open. So you have our snack, blankets. It's really nice. This part is easy to clean. Don't mind all the sand. You can just like sweep it out, power wash it, and it's clean. But yeah, we're really enjoying being out at the beach. It's so beautiful. Like, look at this, you guys. It's so nice.
Pumps.
You're getting what?
Pump.
You want to get a special water gun?
Pump.
A water gun that pumps? That's what you want to get?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you say thank you for the tent? Say thank you.
Thank you for the tent.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting one of these tents, I'll link their Amazon down below. And yeah, it's really easy to set up. It's a pretty blue color, and yeah, it's great for these super hot summer days. So yeah, you got to get yourself one of these. But yeah, thanks East Hills for sending this to us, and yeah, we'll continue taking you guys along on our date. We're at the beach.
And here's the beach whale.
No.
And here's
This is this is my mom-in-law. She's the best. Shake it for us, mama. Back home and just playing. Gwen, no. Playing in the backyard. Gwen, no. Get it, Gwen. No, Gwener. Gwen. Okay, get it, Asher. Big kick. Big kick. Wow, whoa. That was cool. Are we home? You watching the dog? Who's that? Who's that? Say hi. Boo. Boo. Yes. What are you going to tell us? Ba, ba, ba. What are you doing now? We got home. Hey, say hi to the vlog. He's filling up water balloons. I swear these are the best invention. Have you guys seen these? Don't mind my finger. Look at that. When I was a kid, you just spent hours filling them up. And this takes like 2 seconds. So fun. Asher, I'm gonna get you. Yes. I'm gonna get you. Where are we going, bud? We gonna go grab something fresh and good for supper? Yeah? Yeah. Let's go to the store, just me and you. You're getting so big, you can do up your own seatbelt. Okay, let's go. Looking for some fresh stuff. Yeah, what should we get? Some veggies? Some fruit? Ooh, these look yummy. What do you think? What do you feel like? Veggies? Okay. Quick stop to our neighbor's McDonald's to get iced coffee on this hot day, and then home to chill. What did Mommy get you? Ice cream. That's the perfect snack for a day like today, hey? Yum. Now where are we going? Home. Yeah. Hey guys, so we just had a light supper of just some veggies, crackers and stuff. And I think we're gonna end the vlog here. It was a really full day. It was a fun day, but these kids need to go to sleep, so I'm gonna just get them on their jammies, ready for bed. And yeah, we'll do another vlog soon. I like vlogging. I like capturing all of these memories. Hey, Missy? Did you see yourself? Say hello. Oh. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Say bye. Bye, guys.